Something didn't sound right about that driver's door opening. I'm not sure what it is. Let's try the passenger door. There's no noise like that at all.